guys, welcome to today's video and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be swatching the Dark Magic eyeshadow palette that Jaclyn Hill created in collaboration with Morphe. I know this palette has been out for a while now, a couple of years in fact I think, but it is still available on the Morphe website. I don't think you can purchase it in the vault. Like everywhere I looked I couldn't find the vault as a bundle for sale, but I did notice that you could purchase like the individual palettes by themselves on the website. So I thought it'd be good to swatch this palette for you guys. If you do want to see the other palettes swatched, I'm gonna have my palette swatch playlist in the description box down below, and if they are already uploaded they will be in that playlist, but I have already filmed them. I'm just not sure in what order I'm going to be uploading these videos. This palette retails for $16 US on their website. It has 10 shades and it is quite a classic. I actually really love this color story. It's so pretty. It actually really speaks to me. If you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and let's jump straight in. Alright, so these are the swatches in the Dark Magic eyeshadow palette created by Jaclyn Hill in collaboration with Morphe. Look at these shades, you guys. These are so pigmented and dark. They were very easy to build up and get to this opacity. Imagine how much more beautiful and long wearing these shades would be on the eyes with an actual proper eyeshadow primer. That black though, that is such a black. This brown, forest green, navy blue, these mattes are stunning. Look at them. They are so pigmented. Very smooth as well, very easy to build up. These shimmers, stunning. I love that forest green shimmer right there. I love that matte green as well, that one there. It's called Potion. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think of this palette. Have you used it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? What is your experience with it? Did you get a good one? Did you get a dud one? I know there was a bit of controversy surrounding these palettes when they first were released. But yeah, it happened and then it blew over in like a minute. So no one's really talking about that anymore. Anyway, that's the Dark Magic palette. I think it might be my favorite out of the four, alongside with Bling Boss. Two very different but very stunning palettes. Anyway, thanks guys for watching today's video. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.